Hello YouTube. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix back door issue in Nissan Tiida hatchback. I saw lots of YouTube video on internet about this issue, but none of them solve this problem properly. Okay, this is the back door opener switch, you can see here, and this one doesn't open the back door. All right, let's see what's the reason. You might not believe what's the reason. Okay, yeah, Nissan Tiida hatchback. There is sedan as well, sedan one. They have different version. This car has manual window. Some of them have power window. This one is normal key ignition igniter, and some of them have intelligent key. This one is automatic. So there is different version of this car, but I think they have same problem. And maybe you don't believe what's the problem. The problem is here in driver door, not in the back door. So many of them showing you open that back door plastic cover and connect one of the switch wire to the body, and it will open the door, but it would be permanently working. Even when you lock the car, it can open the door, so it's not safe. And that's the reason is, okay, I'll show you. Here we go. This is the actual workshop manual. Back door lock. If you test the terminal 30 on M18 connector on BCM, body control module is a body computer with ground, and if you check the voltage, there is battery voltage when you are not pressing the button, but when you press the button, when you push the button, there is 0 voltage. See, back door opener switch. It means that when you push the button, it connects this terminal to the ground, and you give the negative to the computer, and computer BCM body control module working as a relay. Then when it detects the 0 voltage from another terminal, it sends voltage to the back door opening actuator and open the back door. So why the switch doesn't work, I'll show you here. See, this one is this is the schematic of the BCM. There is 3 connector, M20, M19, M18. So you don't need to be worried about this one. See here, the problem is here. See, you check the back door opener switch connector, this one, with terminal 2 of it, with terminal 4 of front door lock actuator left hand, door unlock sensor connector. Actually, it could be right hand, depend on which side is your steering wheel. So my car is right hand, so I checked the right hand door, and there should be continuity. So terminal 4 continuously permanently connected to the back door opener switch. Why? Because This is terminal 4 on it. On terminal 3, it's connected to the body, to the negative permanently, and when you unlock the door, unlock the car, inside the driver door actuator, lock actuator, there is a mechanical mechanism that connect this terminal 3 to terminal 4. It means your back door opener switch will connect to negative just when you unlock the car, and there is a problem. That's a problem because your driver door lock actuator has issue. It doesn't give negative. That's the reason your back door opener switch doesn't work. I'll show you here. Alright, this is the let me show you on the circuit first. It's much easier, you will understand here. So it's here. Here we go. Here we go. That's the solution for you guys. See, this is body control module, BCM. This one is back door opener switch. One wire connecting to the BCM. It has voltage in it, battery voltage. The other side of the switch connecting to front door lock actuator, which is could be this one, depend on the car model. Back is a hatchback or sedan, and depend on the right hand steering or left hand steering. So it's always your driver door. So the other side of the switch connected to driver door actuator, and it will get the negative from there. So when you unlock the car, your back door opener switch will access to the negative, and then when you press the back door opener switch, it will connect the negative to your body control module, and body control module sends that and then send voltage to your back door lock assembly actuator and will open your back door. So that's the problem here. This switch doesn't work inside your front driver door lock actuator. I'll show you here. So I had to change it. I bought it from Rickers and it's working now. So this is the I open it, and actually, yeah, it's here. This switch is the things that make all the issue. When you unlock your car, is a mechanical switch here, and with moving this part inside the actuator, it press this switch and give, where is the terminal? Here, this is the terminal. See, has 4 connections. One of them has a permanent negative, and when you unlock the door and this switch work here, give negative to another terminal, and then that terminal connected to your back door switch. So you need to change this, your driver side door actuator, to solve the problem. I hope this helped lots of guys. I saw many YouTube about this issue, but none of them properly solved the problem. I even saw a video on Facebook. It was in I think Arabic language, and another one on YouTube. I think there was a car electrician who solved, I think, the problem, but is speaking in Pakistani or Indian language. So I haven't seen any English one on the YouTube. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy this video and help you a lot. And please subscribe to my channel if you like. In future I would put more video about different issue. Thank you guys for watching.